Thikoni ni thutha wa minista wa Iganda Peter Munya kwanirira itanya rya kuhingwo kwa ruhonge rwa kuramata urimi rwa KPCU riu ikinya rirekirie gukinyanirio. Umuthio thirikari ikirika kwandikithia undu uyu thiini wa gatheti ya thirikari. Niguo gukinyaniria undu uyu kamiti ya andu ana nirikitie kumbwo niguo gukinyaniria wendia wa utonga wa ruhonge ruru. Ari ni hamwe na Stephen Njogu uria ni munini wa murugamiri munene uramatini wa Thathaiti, Anthony Maina na Joyce Nkirote. Kamite ino igitanyo kurikiriria mutaratara wothe ihinda-ini ria mieri 6 yukite.
KPCU is currently run by a group of persons who are irregularly and illegally in office without going through the due process of formal elections.
Ikinya ria kunina ruhonge ruru ria kinyanirio kumana na thina wa mathire wa mwaka thutha wa uria ungi, undu uria wacongiriirie ginyagia indo imwe cia ruhonge ruru gukorwo hatikaini ya gutahwo ni fegi tiganite.
These persons have purportedly taken over the management of KPCU in total disregard of members' interests. Due to these administrative and governance constraints that have bedeviled KPCU for a long time, the institutional support system for farmers that existed hitherto, such as provision of affordable inputs on cherry-based credit facilities and advances, are no longer available.
Ningĩ ruhonge ruru no rumurikitwo makiria rugikuruhania na ciiko cia ungumania kuma kuri aramati yayo urugamiririo tari kihariro undu umwe na kwaga guthingatithia mawatho maria magiriire ma Thathaiti. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataru wa Mwangi.